The S24 Plus, this is a very quick unboxing of this device. This is the purple color, violet, whatever you want to call it. We're going to get right into it. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and drop a sub, hit that like button, turn on the bell for all notifications. A ton of content coming on these phones. This is the S24 Plus in that purple colorway. Very good looking color. I'm excited. I've never used a Plus device from Samsung, so I am excited to get my hands on here. We're going to take this sticker off. Get that in there. And a very nice feeling phone in the hand. This does remind me this year of an iPhone. I am going to have a ton of videos against the iPhone 15 Plus. We will do a ton of videos with those two. Well, this phone and that phone going head to head. See which one comes out on top. Battery life, photo comparison, video comparison, just how smooth each one is going in and out of apps, your day-to-day daily things that we do on our phones. But the new S24 Plus in the purple color. Again, hit that like, drop a sub. I'll be back soon with a ton of content. Peace.